Everybody and my students out there, once again welcome to Flickr Brains. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys an AdSense account that doesn't have enough page views. It doesn't have any organic traffic at all. Remember, in my last video I was telling you guys that with this method you can also load an account that don't have any organic traffic at all. Now this account is an account that received only one-time payment. You can see it here. He received this one-time payment that is around 2022. This is the only payment received around 2022, and I started working on this account that is January last month, and you can see what was summed up for January's work on the balance. You can see it. We summed up $800 on this particular account. January, this is January's work. This is January's work. So it's to show you guys that this method is safe, and I know what I'm doing here. Now you can see what we are doing this month. You can see just this month so far we have already generated around $500 on the account, and you can see this today so far. You can see we're still pushing it. From here you can tell that the method is working. Now you can see normally this account, the CPC normally used to be around 0.98 or 0.70 something, or normally used to be around 0.1. But look at it has started climbing. This is 2.96. This is roughly $3 CPC. So with constant work on this account by the end of this month, I'm planning to load this account roughly $7,000 for this month's end. So if you have an account that you also want to bring for partnership, remember my list. Make sure the account is 2 times payment received account and above. If you can bring such account, we are going to partner and work on your account. You also make this kind of results on your account too. So for those of you that want to learn this method and you're scared that you don't have organic traffic, you don't need organic traffic to start earning. The method is safe. Once you have a proxy, you're good to go. Okay? So if you want to learn this, click on the description box for more inquiries. And if you have a good account for partnership, please, I will stop collecting accounts on 5th. So if you have a good account for partnership, please rush to my DM so we can negotiate and we'll start working on your account before the month runs out. All right? Have a nice day to everybody out there. Once again, stay tuned and subscribe to Flickr Brains for more loading content.